The last thing I'm going to want to test is if you are watching a movie with these projectors, will you be able to use the phone speakers to hear the movie, or would you have to attach it to a Bluetooth speaker? So let's first do the MotoMod. We'll turn the volume all the way up to max, and then we will press play here. That's pretty good. I feel like if you're watching a movie with a couple friends, you would all be able to hear that just fine. Now let's take the Tank 4 and turn the volume up to max as well. So we have max volume on the Tank 4, and then we're going to go ahead and press play there. The Tank 4 definitely has a louder speaker. So if you're watching a movie with friends, you will be able to hear what's going on in the movie a little bit better with the Tank 4. So I picked this wall here because we have a dark door and a white wall. So you can see how clear the projector projects onto both dark and light surfaces. I feel like you could definitely see the image better on the light surface than the dark surface. I don't want to get a copyright strike, but I do think it is important to test to see how the Tank 4 sounds when you're watching a movie or a TV show. So I'm going to play this inspirational speech from Rengoku real quickly.
Very soon, I'll be dead. Before that happens, I need you to hear me out. About your sister. Know that I believe in her. I accept her as part of our ranks. Your sister shed blood to protect the people inside that train from demons. And anyone who does that, regardless of what is said to the contrary, is a rightful member of the Demon Slayer Corps. So hold your head high. If you are feeling disheartened, that you are somehow not enough, set your heart ablaze. Dry your eyes and look ahead. You may feel like digging your heels in, but the flow of time waits for no one. It won't patiently stand by as you grieve. Young Kamado, young boar, boy of yellow, you must continue to grow, and eventually, you will lend your aid by becoming the next Hashira. I believe in each and every one of you.
I feel like the sound quality wasn't the best. Like that speech was not as inspirational as it could have been because the background vocals were kind of like pegging out a little bit on the speaker. It was just giving a little distortion. You can also now hear the fan of this thing just running at double overcharge. Like, it is just crazy going. Like, the fan is just going full power in order to try to cool the laser projector from this short clip we just watched.